SEO, tips to make your YouTube videos go viral. In 2025, content creators still want to go viral on YouTube, even though the world of online video is always changing. The chance for exponential reach, more brand recognition, and a lot of money-making opportunities makes it an appealing option. But it's not just luck that makes something go viral. Using search engine optimization, SEO techniques in a smart way can greatly improve your chances of getting the YouTube algorithm's attention and getting your videos in the spotlight. This complete guide will look at powerful SEO tricks that can help your YouTube videos go viral in 2025. How to understand the YouTube algorithm. In 2025, the YouTube algorithm is in charge of deciding which videos to show on the homepage, recommend to users, and rank in search results. The exact details of how the algorithm works are kept secret, but its main ideas stay the same. Watch time. The total amount of time people spend watching your videos is one of the most important factors in ranking. YouTube thinks your content is more valuable the longer people watch it. Audience. Retention. This number tells you how many people watch your video all the way through. If a lot of people stay with your content, it means it's interesting and engaging. Engagement. If people like, comment on, share, or subscribe to your content, it means they like it. Relevance. YouTube tries to show users videos that are related to their interests and what they are looking for. To get the right people to watch your videos, you need to make sure they are relevant. User satisfaction. YouTube is putting more and more weight on user satisfaction as a ranking signal. Videos that people give high ratings and say they enjoyed are more likely to be shown to more people. Keyword research. Finding the potential to go viral. Any good SEO plan starts with doing good keyword research. Finding the right keywords can make your videos much more visible and bring in people who are actively looking for content in your niche. YouTube. Autocomplete. Start by typing a keyword that is relevant into the YouTube search bar, and then look at the suggested search terms. These suggestions are based on actual searches that people are doing right now. Google Trends. Use Google Trends to find out what topics and keywords are popular in your niche. This can help you make content that people are interested in right now and reach more people. Keyword research tools. Use specialized tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to look at the number of searches for a keyword, how many other people are using it, and other keywords that are related. You can learn a lot about the potential of different keywords by using these tools. Long tail. Keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that are meant for a smaller group of people. They may not get as many searches, but they usually have a higher conversion rate and less competition. Competitor analysis. Look at the keywords that your competitors are trying to rank for. This can help you come up with new ideas and find possible chances. Improving video titles and descriptions. Writing interesting stories. The first thing people see when they look at your videos are the titles and descriptions. They should be interesting, useful, and have the right keywords in them. Titles. Make sure your titles are short and interesting and include your main keyword in a way that sounds natural. Try to come up with titles that make people want to click. Use numbers and power words to get more people to click on your links. Descriptions. Write long, informative descriptions that sum up what your video is about and use your target keywords. The first few sentences are very important because they are often shown in search results. Include a clear call to action that tells people to like, comment, subscribe, and click on links that are relevant. Making thumbnails that get people to watch, getting attention in a sea of videos. The thumbnail for your video is a picture of your content that is very important for getting people to click. Use clear, professional-looking pictures for your thumbnails to make them look good. Design that stands out. Make thumbnails that are interesting to look at and stand out from the rest. Text overlays. Put text over your thumbnails to let people know what your video is about and get them to click. Consistency. Keep the style of your thumbnails the same to help people remember your brand. Relevance. Make sure that your thumbnails are true to what your video is about. Increasing watch time. Keeping viewers interested. Watch time is the most important factor for ranking, so it's important to make content that keeps people interested. Interesting introductions. Use a hook at the beginning of your videos to get people's attention right away. Use storytelling techniques to make a story that keeps viewers interested and makes them want to keep watching. Visual appeal. Use B-roll footage, animations, and text overlays to make your videos look better. Keep the pace fast and don't add extra filler. Clear structure. Use clear headings and transitions to make your videos easy to follow. Encouraging participation. Building a community. Engagement lets YouTube know that people like your content and find it useful. Call to actions. Tell people to like, comment on, subscribe to, and share your videos. Respond to comments. Talk to your audience by answering questions and responding to comments. Hold contests and giveaways. Hold contests and giveaways to get people excited and get them to participate. Make polls and quizzes. Make polls and quizzes that people can take part in to get them involved. Using YouTube Shorts to reach more people. YouTube Shorts are short videos that can help you get more people to see your work. Make interesting content. Make short, fun videos that fit the Shorts format. Use hashtags and sounds that are popular. Adding sounds and hashtags that are popular can help more people find your content. Use Shorts to promote your main channel and get people to watch your longer videos. Post regularly. To get more people to see your shorts, you need to post them regularly. Looking at your data, iterating and getting better. YouTube Analytics gives you useful information about how well your videos are doing. Use this information to figure out what's working and what's not, and then change your plan as needed. Key metrics include views, watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and demographics. Try out different content types, optimization methods, and marketing strategies to see what works best for you. In conclusion, getting a video to go viral on YouTube is hard to predict. But you can greatly improve your chances of getting the algorithm's attention and reaching a larger audience by learning how it works, using powerful SEO tricks to improve your videos, making interesting content, and regularly checking your results. For long-term success, you need to be consistent, creative, and dedicated to giving your viewers value. These SEO tips should help you get off to the best start possible for YouTube success in 2025.